I think wisdom is an accumulation of a certain amount of knowledge from observing the world somewhat, from reading, and then it's seeing how you yourself fit into that picture of which you've kind of learned. I do have a faith, and I do believe in something beyond me, very definitely. A spiritual creator who does love us and has compassion for humanity. And I find I have to rely on that strength too. I guess you would call it my faith. I suppose people are the most important thing. People and relationships. How we see them, how we have compassion for them or may not. To be non-judgmental. We just don't know how people think from other parts of the world. Every human being is a gift and has a gift somewhere.